Hello, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Jackie Versosa Vilicaria. I am 27 years old. I'm single. My height is 5'1". I'm from Philippines. My higher educational attainment is Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Technology and Livelihood Education. My work experience before here in the Philippines was a helper for almost 4 years. I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. Children ages 15, 9, and 5 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, and taking care of the 5-year-old child. My previous experience also was a cashier in the Qatar for almost 1 year. I can sing children's songs like head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. I can also read a storybook like Cinderella, Snow White, and Pinocchio. I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family a better life in the future. I hope you will find me suitable to work with your family, and I promise to do my best. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.